Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an investor's dream. Located in the gated community of Orchard Garden, is this exquisitely designed 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms house. Works perfectly as an income earner, as this space is already converted into 5 individual units, one of which is 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Each unit comes fully self-contained. One can capture the blueness of the ocean and the warm Caribbean breeze from their bedroom and patio. Enjoy the generously spaced bedroom with AC units and ensuite bathrooms and open concept kitchen. The upper level is almost 95% completed. This upscale design finishes with a spectacular ocean view from a relaxing rooftop terrace. Only 50 minutes away are major shoppings, eateries, and commercial activities in the city of Montego Bay. Approximately 30 minutes to the Sangsters International Airport and the major beaches. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 85 million or US $552,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.